Paano malalaman kung ang specific value ay root of a polynomial function? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Narito ako para tulungan ka, natulungan ng sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lessons. Now, if ever that this video will help you, please don't forget to click subscribe and i-click mo na notification bell para updated ka sa latest videos natin dito sa YouMore PH. And please do share this to your friends, classmates, parents that you know na kailangan ng mga lessons na ganito. And without further ado, let's get to our lesson. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, pag-uusapan natin tungkol sa roots and zeros of a polynomial function. Ayan. So let's get started. Let's have our problem number 1. Determine whether the given numbers are roots of a polynomial equation, p of x is equal to 0, wherein p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 81. Ayan. So, eto ang i-check natin. We are going to determine whether yung 5, yung 3, or yung negative 3 ay roots ng polynomial function na p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 81. Ayan. So, let's check one by one. Paano kaya ang complete process of this? So, let's start with A, which is 5. So, para mag-solve ng ganito, ito po ang pinakauna natin gagawin. So, nakalagay dito, p of x is equal to 0, tapos ang p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 81. So, ganito pa ang magiging form niyan. Ayan. So, itong p of x daw, itong buong p of x, we are going to equate that into 0. Para makuha natin or ma-check natin kung roots nga ba yung number na ito, yung 5 na yan, or hindi. That's why na-form natin yung x raised to 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. That's the first thing that you have to do. Kung ano yung polynomial function na given, atong nasa right side, ayan, i-equate lang natin siya sa 0. Kaya nabuo yung x raised to 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Ganito din ang gagawin kapag ang tanong ay zeros. Ayan, roots and zeros, same process ang gagawin natin. Kung ano yung polynomial function na given, lagi natin siyang i-equate sa 0. Ayan. So, ganun po ang idea natin, or the first thing that we have to do. Then, ang root po na ito, yung 5 dito na i-check natin, this is the value of x. Etong 5, this is the value of x that should make, ayan, that could possibly make this equation equal. Ayan, kailangan kasi maging equal yung dalawa. Para ma-prove natin na yung 5 ay root nitong polynomial function na yan, kailangan maging 0 din yung nasa right. Kailangan maging 0 din natin itong x raised to 4 minus 81. That's by substituting this value, yung 5, dito sa x. So, ganito ang gagawin. Yung x dito, lahat na makikita nating x, gagawin nating 5. Ayan. So, ganito yung mangyayaring susunod. So, yung x, make sure kapag naka-raise sa isang exponent yung number, yung base na 5, kailangan nasa loob yan ng parentheses. So, yung 5 dito, naka-raise sa 4, minus 81 is equal to 0. Ayan. Then, after that, syempre dapat master natin ito. Paano ba ito ginagawa? Common mistake, minumultiply lang 5 times 4. That's incorrect. Kapag ang isang number, isang base ay naka-raise sa isang exponent, ang exponent kasi, this will tell us how many times I'm going to multiply 5 by itself. Ibig sabihin nito, ita-times ko ng 4 na beses yung 5 sa sarili niya. So, this will become 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So, 4 na beses. So, kapag multiply natin lahat yon, lalabas ay 625. Pero yung 81 saka yung 0 dyan ay retain pa rin. Again, kaya nakuha ang 625, that's by multiplying 5 ng 4 na beses. Ayan. So, 625 minus 81 is equal to 0. Tapos, subtract na lang natin. So, sabi nga natin, kailangan maging 0 yan. Pag hindi yan naging 0, ibig sabihin, hindi root yung 5. So, let's subtract. 625 minus 81, the answer is 544 is equal to 0. Question, pareho bang 0? Hindi. So, hindi ito equal. Right? So, ibig sabihin yan, yung 5 ay hindi rin root ng polynomial function na x raised to 4 minus 81. So, we can conclude that therefore 5 is not a root of p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 81. So, ito naman ay optional. Kung kailangan ng conclusion, then you may have your conclusion. Pero kung hindi naman, okay na ito. Maglagay ka lang dito sa A na not a root. Ayan, so ganun lang. Alright, so let's check letter B. So, same process ang gagawin natin for letter B and letter C. So, for letter B, 3 naman ang ibinigay sa atin. Ayan, positive 3. So, same thing. Again, ang first step na gagawin mo, kung ano yung polynomial function na given, this one, i-equate natin siya sa 0. Kapag pinapacheck sa atin yung roots o kaya yung zeros. So, ganito yan. X raised to 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. So, same pa rin. Kasi, under naman sila ng same problem. Right? Ayan. So, x raised to 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Tapos, sabi natin, atong 3 dito is the value of x. Ayan. So, yung 3, ilalagay ko siya dito sa x. And make sure naka-parenthesis yung 3. Ganito po ang itsura. 3 raised to 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Then, this is a no-no. 3 times 4. Hindi yan pwede. Kasi, ibig sabihin ng 3 na naka-raise sa 4, you have to multiply 3 4 times by itself. So, that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And when we do that, ang sagot doon ay 81. 81 minus 81. Ano ba ang 81 minus 81? Solve further. The answer is 0. Ayan. So, naging equal yung dalawa. Tama? Yung 0 is equal to 0. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, yung 0 is equal to 0, ibig sabihin yung 3 is a root of this polynomial function. So, ang palatandaan natin lagi, kapag nag-0 equal to 0, yung dulo natin kapag nag-solve tayo or nag-check tayo, that would mean that yung number na chinek natin is a root of that polynomial function. So then we can conclude that, therefore, 3 is a root of p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 81. Root yan. Kasi nga, naging equal to 0 ang sagot natin. So, ganun lang po yan kasimple. Ayan. So, let's have letter C naman. Let's check when C, or when the root is negative 3. Ano kaya? Root kaya siya nito or hindi? So, same process. Kung ano yung polynomial function equate to 0, that's x raised to 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Tapos, atong negative 3, ipapalit natin dito sa x. Ayan. So, very important yung sinasabi ko na nakaparenthesis. Ayan. Kaya dapat nakaparenthesis yung number na nakaraise sa isang exponent. Ayan, especially kapag negative. Kasi magkaiba kapag walang parenthesis doon sa merong parenthesis. So, take note of that. Kailangan ilagay lagi, ikulong lagi yan sa parenthesis kapag naka-raise sa isang exponent. Ayan, so negative 3 raised to 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Now, here's the catch. Ito, diba, negative 3 na 4 na beses times. Ay, right? So, negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So, 4 na beses. So, ito yung technique na pwede natin gawin kapag ang isang number na negative, kapag ang base natin ay negative, just like this one. Kapag negative yung loob, tapos naka-raise sa isang exponent, kapag odd number, add, ibig sabihin 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, 11, and so on. Kapag odd number, yung exponent, kailangan negative yung sagot. And kapag even number ang exponent, kailangan positive yung sagot. So in this case, even number yung 4. So dapat ang magiging result natin dito sa baba ay positive. Ayan. Kasi 4 na beses mong i-multiply yung negative sa sarili niya. Diba? Kaya ang magiging result ay positive talaga. So, ang magiging sagot dyan ay positive 81 pa din. Again, positive ito kasi nga even number yung ating exponent. Let's say 5 yan. Kung 5 yan, dapat negative yung magiging sagot natin dito. Ayan. So, 81 minus 81, anong sagot? 0. 0 is equal to 0. Tama na naman. Right? So, ibig sabihin kung 0 is equal to 0, therefore, we can conclude that negative 3 is also a root of p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 81. Ayan. So, ganun lang po yan kasimple. Para ma-check kung root or hindi, kailangan lang maging 0 is equal to 0 yung dulo. Ayan. So, that's how you deal with those kind of problems. Let's have another problem naman. Kasi we're done with A, B, and C. Sorry. Ng problem natin dito. Alright. Paano naman ito? Determine whether the given numbers are roots of a polynomial equation, p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is equal to x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 13. So, ito yung mga number na i-check natin. 2, negative 2, saka negative 3. So, isa-isahin ulit natin. Let's check first A na 2. Ayan. So, same thing doon sa unang problem natin. Ganun lang din. Kung ano itong polynomial function, kung ano itong nasa right, yung x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 30, i-equal mo lang siya sa 0. Equate that to 0. Kung ano man ito, lagi mo siyang i-equal sa 0. Sir, pag zeros din yung tanong, yun din ang gagawin? Yes. Roots or zeros, ganito ang gagawin. Lagi siyang equal to 0 para ma-check kung ito ba ay root or hindi. Next. Etong 2 dito, yan yung magiging value ng x natin. So, we're going to change everything. Lahat ng makita mong x, kailangan mong palitan ng 2. Alright? And don't forget, kung naka-raise yan sa exponent, don't ever forget to put it inside the parentheses. Just like this one. Yung x cube, kailangan magiging ganito siya. Yung 2 na naka-raise sa 3, naka-parentheses din. Tapos 6, of course, yung 2 dito na x, 2 squared din naka-parentheses. And so as yung x, i-parentheses din natin muna. Kasi there would come a time na, let's say, dalawang negative. So, hindi siya pwedeng nakabukas lang. Kailangan nakasarado yung number na yon. So, kailangan naka-enclose din siya sa parentheses. Minus 30 is equal to 0. So, make sure lahat ng x na palitan mo ng 2. Ayan. So, in this case, tama naman tayo. Now, ito. So, wala tayong problem dito kasi yung loob naman ay positive. So, yung technique na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kapag negative lang yung loob. Kasi kapag negative yung loob, it's either positive or negative ang sagot. So, depende yun sa kung anong exponent ang meron. Ayan. So, ito naman, 2 raised to 3. Again, hindi po pwedeng 2 times 3. So, this would become 2 times 2 times 2. So, tandaan kapag exponent, kailangan i-multiply sa sarili ng ilang beses kung ano man yung exponent na yon. So, 2 times 2 times 2, the answer is 8. Tapos, yung 2 squared naman, that's 2 times 2. So, nagkataon lang na parehong 2. Kaya baka isipin, ay, edi pwede sir. Hindi po. So, ito ay 2 times 2. 2 multiplied by 2 na sa sarili niya. Hindi done sa exponent. So, this will become 4. So, 6 times 4 muna yon. So, naka-parenthesis pa rin yung 4 later. Kasi itong 2 dito, pwede nang tanggalin. So, magiging siyang minus 2 na lang. Minus 30 is equal to 0. So, ganito yon. So, yung 2 cube naging 8. Tapos, yung 6, of course, dyan pa lang. Ang 2 squared ay 4. Tapos, natanggalan yung parentheses. Minus 30 is equal to 0. Ayan. Then, solve natin kung may parentheses pa. Ayan. Yung 6 times 4 kasi pwede pa yung isolve. Yan naman talaga ang unahin, di ba? Kahit sa PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Ang 6 times 4 muna. Kasi naka-multiply. 6 times 4, that's 24. So, the rest, kopyahin natin. 8 plus 24 minus 2 minus 30 is equal to 0. Ayan. Then, after that, i-plus na lang natin or i-minus natin ng from left to right. Since addition and subtraction na lang natira. So, ganun lang. 8 plus 24 is 32. Tapos, 32 bawasan mo ng dalawa. That's 30. Tapos, 30 minus 30, the answer is 0. So, 0 is equal to 0. And, di ba ang sabi natin, once na mapalabas mo na etong function na ito, atong polynomial na ito, ay naging equal sa 0 when we substitute this 2, ibig sabihin, yung 2 na yan, root of a polynomial function. So, check tayo dyan. So, we can conclude that, therefore, 2 is a root of p of x is equal to x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 30. Ayan. So, yung polynomial function, kakopyahin lang din natin yan doon. Ayan. Root siya, kasi nga napalabas natin yung 0 is equal to 0. Ayan. So, let's move naman sa letter B. Alright. So, ito. Exciting ito kasi negative na yung magiging base natin. So, same thing, atong polynomial function, yung x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 30, equate mo siya sa 0. Tapos, whatever, lahat ng x na makita mo, gawin mong negative 2. Ayan, that's why we have this. And make sure naka-parenthesis lahat. So, negative 2, naka-cube, plus 6, tas yung parenthesis, negative 2 squared then, minus negative 2, minus 30 is equal to 0. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Kapag ang base natin ay negative, so since negative to ito, yung nasa loob natin ng parenthesis, tas naka-raise sa isang exponent, ito yung technique, ito yung shortcut. Kapag odd number, just like 3, ang magiging sagot mo dapat sa baba ay negative. Kapag even number, just like this, naka-square, ang magiging sagot mo dapat ay positive. Ganun po yan. So here, since odd number ito, dapat ang magiging sagot natin ay negative 8. Bakit? That's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 ng 3 beses. So, magiging siyang negative 8 dito. Tapos naman, etong negative 2 dito, since 2 or even number yung exponent niya, kaya positive yung 4 dito. Ayan, that's 6 times 4. Tapos, eto, ayan, nagbago na yung sign ng 2. Because negative saka negative, when we multiply that, the answer will be positive 2. Tapos, negative 30 kopya is equal to 0. Then, of course, yung nakamultiply muna, 6 times 4 isolve natin. So, magiging siyang negative 8 plus 24 plus 2 minus 30 is equal to 0. The rest, kinopya. Ito lang ang binago. Tapos, solve natin from left to right. Since negative and positive na naman ang, or minus and plus naman ang nandito. Negative 8 plus 24, that's 16. Tapos, magpa-plus to tayo 18. Minus 30 is negative 12, right? Negative 12 is equal to 0. Now, hindi siya tama. Tama? Negative 2 is not equal to 0. So, mali yan. Ibig sabihin, yung negative 2 dito ay hindi root of a polynomial function. This polynomial function. Ayan. So, we can conclude that, therefore, negative 2 is not a root of p of x is equal to x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 30. Ayan. So, ganun lang po yung kasimple. Dito tayo magbe-base kung root or hindi. Then last one, c is equal to negative 3. So same thing, ito ay equate sa 0. Tapos lahat ng x na makita mo, ipalitan natin ng negative 3. And make sure naka-parenthesis lahat. So yung negative 3, naka-raise sa 3. 6, negative 3, naka-raise sa 2. Minus negative 3, minus 30 is equal to 0. So make sure naka-parenthesis lahat. Now, yung technique natin, add and even. Kapag odd number, negative yung sagot. Kapag even number, positive yung sagot. That's why, etong negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is negative 27. Tapos ito naman, negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is 9. Ayan. Pero yung 6 nandun pa rin. Tapos negative times negative, naging positive. Minus 30 is equal to 0. Tapos, solve muna natin ito. Yung nakamultiply muna. So, 6 times 9, that's 54. So, negative 27 plus 54 plus 3 minus 30 is equal to 0. Ayan. Tapos, solve natin from left to right. So, negative 27 plus 54, that's positive 27. Plus 3, 30. 30 minus 30, 0. Diba? So, 0 is equal to 0. So, check tayo dyan. So, once na makita natin na 0 is equal to 0 yung dulo natin na sagot, this means that yung negative 3 is a root of this polynomial function. So, therefore, negative 3 is a root of p of x is equal to x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 30. So, ganun lang po kasimple mag-check kung root siya or hindi root. Ayan. So, I hope kaya na natin mag-solve ng sa sarili natin. Ayan. So, let's have our YouMore drill. Ayan. So, one problem lang pero tatlo ang check natin. So, I'll pause for a while now and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So, let's answer letter A muna. A, negative 1. So, same thing na ginagawa natin. Kung ano itong polynomial na ito, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6, i-equate natin sa 0. So, in this case, nakalagay zeros, right? Hindi siya roots, kakaya ng dalawang example natin. So, kapag zeros, kaya hindi na nakalagay yung p of x is equal to 0. Kasi nga, na-mention na naman na zeros yan. So, that would mean, yung p of x talaga ay 0. So, equate lang natin ulit. Ito, into 0. Then, same thing, lahat ng x palitan ng negative 1, and make sure naka-parentheses. Ganun lang po. So, negative 1 cubed plus 2, negative 1 squared minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. Ayan. So, make sure tama tayo ng pagkakapalit. Next, yung shortcut natin, add and even. Add number, negative ang sagot. Even number, positive ang sagot. So, eto, yung 1 naman, di ba, kapag 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, hindi naman nababago. Kahit pa yan, negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Ang kaibahan lang sa negative 1, nagbabago ng sign. Ayan. So, in this case, negative 1, 1 pa rin yung sagot, pero ano ang sign? Negative. Kasi nga, add number yung 3. So, that's negative 1. Plus, eto yung 1 dito naging positive na. Kasi nga, even number yung exponent. This would become negative 1 times negative 1. That would result to positive 1. Tapos, negative 5 times negative 1. So, multiply din itong dalawa. The answer is positive 5. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Tapos, times muna natin yung 2 times 1. So, negative 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. Tapos, solve natin from left to right since lahat naman plus and minus. Negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. Plus 5 is 6. Minus 6 is equal to 0. So, the answer is 0 is equal to 0. So, check yan. So, kung check tayo dito, 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, etong negative 1 is 0 of this polynomial function. Ayan. So, therefore, negative 1 is a root of p of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Ayan. So, hindi ko na bago. Pwede naman itong root or zeros. Ayan. So, kung inilagay mo dito ay zeros of p of x, then, okay lang din yun. Pero kung root, okay lang din naman. Ayan. So, let's have letter B. Ang B naman is 2. So, sa 2, change natin lahat into 2. Lahat ng x dyan. So, magiging siyang 2 cubed plus 2, tapos 2 squared minus 5 times 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So, make sure naka-parenthesis lahat ng 2 na ipinalit natin. So, in this case, we don't need the shortcut kasi nga positive naman yung nasa loob. Positive naman yung 2. 2 cubed, that's 8. Tapos, etong 2 squared, that's 4. Tama. Negative 5 times 2, that's negative 10. Negative 6 equal to 0. Tapos, 2 times 4 muna. Magiging siyang 8 plus 8 minus 10 minus 6 equal to 0. Ano ang 8 plus 8? 16. Minus 10 is 6. Minus 6 is 0. 0 is equal to 0, which is correct. So, kung tama yan, ibig sabihin tama din na zeros yung B, or 0 yung B na yan. Ayan. So, therefore, 2 is root or 0 of p of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Ayan. So, ganun lang po yun kasimple. Next. Last one, negative 3. X cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So, same thing. Tapos, palitan lahat ng negative 3. Make sure naka-parentheses. So, yung negative 3 cubed plus 2 multiplied by negative 3 squared minus 5 times negative 3 minus 6 equal to 0. Tapos, ayan, apply natin yung shortcut kapag add and even. Since negative yung base natin, negative yung nasa loob. So, since naka-add number ito, negative dapat yung sagot. So, negative 27. Ito naman, dapat positive yung sagot. Magiging siyang 9. Kasi negative 3 times negative 3, dalawang beses lang. Negative 5 times negative 3, magiging siyang positive 15. By the way, baka nakalimutan yung rule ng multiply. Sa multiply, once na same sign po kasi, negative saka negative or positive saka positive, laging positive yung sagot. Pero kapag magka-opposite, merong isang negative, merong isang positive, so that would become negative yung product. Ayan, so ito yun. Negative 27 plus 2 times 9 plus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. Tapos, times muna natin ito. Negative 27 plus 18 plus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. Negative 27 plus 18, the answer is negative 9. Plus 15, the answer is 6. Minus 6, the answer is 0. 0 is equal to 0, which is correct. So, ibig sabihin kung tama yan, yung letter C is 0 of this polynomial function. Then we can say, therefore, negative 3 is a root or 0 of p of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Ayan. So, ganun po ang pag-check kung yung given number ba ay 0 or root of a certain polynomial function. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something today, and I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed and learned something today. And if you did, please wag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa latest videos natin dito sa YouMore PH. And please do share this to your friends, classmates, parents na kailangan ng lessons na ganito para mas marami tayong matulungan. And also, don't you dare forget that ikaw mismo, you deserve more, you can learn more, and you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye. See you in our next video.